Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to control a fan according to the temperature. You have already seen this Arduino board that I developed for my previous videos. I am using the same board. This is LM35 temperature sensor. This sensor will give you 100 millivolt per degree Celsius. This sensor is suitable for these type of small projects. I used a 12 volt DC motor that will be controlled through the relay. Okay, now I will explain the circuit. Okay, here comes our circuit. In my previous videos I already explained the interfacing of LCDs, keys, relays, or all these things I already explained, and if you have any doubts you can refer that videos. I only connected LM35 as an additional in this circuit. Pin number 1 is connected to 5 volt and 3 is connected to ground. The second pin is the output of the LM35 and it's connected to A7 of the Arduino. Okay, that's all about the circuit. So here comes our program. Initially I added the header files for timer and LCD, then LCD pins are initialized. As you seen in previous videos, keys are initialized. Then LM35 sensor is connected to the analog pin 7. LM35 sensor is connected to the analog pin 7 of Arduino Nano, and there are some variables for keys. Then buzzer is connected to digital pin 5. Fan output is, and fan is connected to, and to control the fan the digital pin 4 is used. Then initialized timer, it's every 1 second. Then here comes into the main loop, calculation for deriving the proper temperature in Celsius from the LM35 sensor. It's very simple. It's ADC value will store the data that coming from the LM35, and here it's converting the ADC value into the equivalent voltage, and LM35 giving an output of 10 millivolt per Celsius, and here its value is displayed in the screen, and the up key is used to set the temperature, to increment the set temperature, and down key is used to decrement the set temperature. Only these two functions are used. Okay, now here comes, this loop is used for generating a beep sound when I am pressing a button. This loop is used to update the display. We are reading the temperature in every 5 seconds and updating the display. And here comes the control. Set temperature is, this is a false condition. It should be less. If the set temperature is less than the actual temperature, then we have to turn on the fan. If the actual temperature is less than the set temperature, it should turn off the fan. It's a condition. Now we have to upload this program and we have to check the result. Okay, now I am going to power up the Arduino. It's showing the current temperature, and the set temperature is 35. I am going to increment the set temperature, and I am setting the set temperature as 36. I am using a soldering iron to giving heat to the sensor. You can see the temperature is rising to 43. Immediately above the set temperature, the fan turned on, but you can see a chattering in the relay. It's because there is some problem in the logic we are used in the program. We have to rework the program. Okay, now we will have to check the software. As you seen in the video, there is a chattering the relay when the set temperature and the real time temperature comes close or equal. Set temperature is less than the actual temperature, it will immediately turn on the fan. When the set temperature becomes equal to the actual temperature, then the fan will be turned off. If there is any small variation there in that temperature, the output relay will chatter. Okay, I modified the program. You can see here I given a delay in turning on the fan and turning off the fan. Also, I made a small correction in the conditions here. Here you can see the real time temperature value is greater than and equal to the set temperature. Then the 5-second timer will start. After that 5 seconds, the fan will be turned on and the timer is reset. Okay, for turning off the fan, the similar condition is used. Real time temperatures falls below the set temperature. Then also a 5-second timer is turned on. After that 5 seconds, the fan will be turned off and then the timer is reset to 5 seconds. By this way we can solve that problem. And now we will upload this program to the Arduino board and we will check the output. I rectified the problems that in the software. Here I set the set temperature as 40. When the actual temperature rises above the set temperature, there will be a 5-second delay in turning on the fan. When the actual temperature falls below the set temperature, there will be also a 5-second delay. After that only it will turn off. In this way I have rectified this problem. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.